Stocks can make you a lot of money, but they can also wipe you out fast, especially if you're not prepared for the volatility. When markets crash, most people panic because they're fully exposed. But what if you could add a tool that helps you stay invested, get paid every month, and reduce your risk at the same time? That's exactly what BND was built for. So today, let's break it down and see if this is the missing piece in your portfolio. Part 1. What is BND? BND is an ETF designed to track the performance of the entire U.S. bond market. Instead of buying individual bonds, it gives you access to thousands of them in a single investment. These include U.S. government bonds, corporate bonds, and mortgage-backed securities. So with just one click, you're essentially lending money to the U.S. economy and getting paid interest in return. Bonds have long been considered a safer part of the market. When stocks become volatile or crash, many investors move into bonds to help protect their money and generate more stable, predictable returns. Part 2. Key characteristics. BND stands for the Vanguard Total Bond Market ETF, and it's known for being low-cost, diversified, and stable. As of this video, it manages around $151 billion in assets and comes with an extremely low expense ratio of just 0.03%, making it cheap to hold for the long term. It pays monthly dividends with a yield of around 4%, which makes it very attractive for consistent income. Because it holds thousands of bonds, your risk is spread out across the entire market. Another key factor is its investment-grade focus, meaning most of the bonds it holds are considered high quality. This isn't about chasing big risks. It's about protecting your money while it grows steadily. Part 3. Top holdings. BND, it's massively diversified. Its largest holdings are primarily U.S. Treasury bonds, which are considered some of the safest investments in the world. It also includes bonds from major corporations like Apple, Microsoft, and other high-quality companies. Plus, it holds mortgage-backed securities tied to real estate. So instead of betting on one company, you're spread across the entire bond market. Part 4. Performance. BND isn't built for explosive growth. It's built for consistency, passive income, and safe returns. That's why, compared to stocks, its returns may seem modest, but that's the trade-off. Safer investments naturally come with lower returns, while higher-risk assets aim for bigger gains. Since inception, BND has returned around 3% annually, which is slightly higher than the average yearly inflation rate. But the real value shows during market downturns. When stocks crash, bonds often hold steady or even rise, helping protect your portfolio. That's why many investors use BND as a shock absorber when markets get volatile. Part 5. Why invest in BND? Investors choose BND for 3 powerful reasons. First, it provides steady monthly income through dividends. Second, it adds stability, reducing the ups and downs of a stock-heavy portfolio. And third, it brings diversification, giving you exposure to a completely different asset class. It's ideal for investors who want to stay in the market without taking on extreme risk. Part 6. Real-world example. If you invest $100 every week into BND for the next 30 years, and it continues to deliver annual returns of 3% as it's done since inception, your portfolio can grow to over $228,000. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more ETF breakdowns.